Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. So we have another unboxing here, and honestly, I don't know what's inside. It's been in my table or my drawer for a while now. I haven't uh, had the chance to do unboxing videos because I did just relax for a while, and now I will see what this one is. So we'll see what's inside. I don't know. I haven't opened up things that I acquired recently. And okay, well, these are personal things. I'm gonna show that one. And if you see, there's also some. Uh, where is it? Oh, there's also some. Show you briefly. Okay, here we go. See, you have nice stamps as well. That's in here. But so my personal information is there, so I'm not gonna show that one. So I don't know what this one is. We'll see. We'll see what this properly wrapped. Okay, here we go. I just oh, here we go. I just lay low in making videos for a while. Just had a holiday, I guess. Like a time off from collecting or from making videos of my collection. And in the process, I didn't open all of it or most of it actually. So we'll see what this one is. I always buy interesting things, but this one I forgot what. Okay, oh, all right, here we go. It is an old coin from Russia. See, this is 2 kopecks 1812, and this is where I bought it from, John Bertrand Limited. So here you go, pre-advertisement. So I hope I have a discount when I buy another thing. I've been buying lots from him for a while now. So here you go, a pre advertisement, John Bertrand Limited, and you can see the uh, the web www.bertrand.co.nz. So that's his online store, and we can see here a very nice 2 kopek coin. I think it's from Ekaterinburg Mint, or no? I think it's EM. It's just very hard to EM. No, it's not. So I don't know where which mint did this was minted, but it is an 1812 coin. It says HM. I'm not sure. And also you can see the edge. It's it's not centered, not aligned. Yeah, nice one. 1812, 2 kopek. And I don't know who was the emperor on this year 1812. But it is a nice coin from the Russian Empire, 1812, 2 kopecks. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on notification settings here. My playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. Thank you. I hope you all have a very good day.